Hello everyone, today we are going to do Forcite optimization of CNT structure. Upload this structure from the link given in the description. So to do Forcite, come here, this is Forcite calculation. And now we are going to do first geometry optimization and the quality is ultra fine. Go to mode. No need to change any of the properties here. Smart, ultimate, and this is 500. Uncheck this checkbox, optimize cell. We don't need to optimize our cell here, energy, and also we don't need to change any of these. Here we can give the name Forcite geometry optimization, and I will use 4 codes for this process. Now run. It will take a few seconds to complete the process. I fast forwarded the video, so it should be completed in a few seconds. Okay, it is completed now. This is the information file. You can go at the bottom and check the status. It is normal. This is the structure, optimized structure. And after that, we can do energy optimization, task energy. And no need to change any other thing. Just change the name here to Forcite energy optimization and click run. Again, it will take a few seconds. Okay, it is completed now. Again, check the status file. It is normal. This is energy optimized structure file. Now there are a lot of other tasks you can do and calculate their properties. Like I'm going to do mechanical properties here. You can check more. We don't need to change any of this here. There are constant strain and other things are we can check here. And here we already optimize our structure, so uncheck this box. Energy, no need to change here. Change the name here, Forcite mechanical properties, and then click run. It is completed now. So this is the Forcite mechanical properties file. You can go at the bottom and check the status. It is normal, and a lot of properties given here like velocity of sound here in 3 different directions, and Young's modulus, bulk modulus, shear modulus, elastic compliance constant Sij, and elastic stiffness constant Cij, and also independent elastic constant. And these properties are calculated in this task. So you can do another task and calculate another properties as well. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.